The Bridge Project. Funded by the EU, it focuses on the development of the means and tools for an effective crisis management in case of large-scale emergencies. With a budget of over 18 million euros and a development time of 4 years, several countries and companies engage in a new international cooperation. In the first step, reasonable concepts and adequate scenarios for the validation of practicability and fields of application are developed. Our demonstration scenario takes place in a virtual chemical facility near Cologne. In an area of over 150,000 square meters, the Explo Chemco facility handles several chemicals, some of them highly flammable and dangerous. Therefore, stringent safety measures and continuous surveillance are necessary. In the control room, all safety and security issues of the facility are managed. At all times, at least a core crew monitors the facility to ensure safe operation and to be able to alert additionally needed staff and the authorities in case of an emergency. The Explo Chemco facility itself consists mainly of chemical towers, tank farms, and many kilometers of pipes, processing and storing large amounts of various chemicals. Hundreds of office workers, technicians, engineers, and workmen work on the site. But now, the unthinkable happens. Due to an electrical discharge on a leaking tanker lorry, a fire is ignited. The primary explosion results in even more powerful secondary explosions, devastating the area. The blast waves knock over chemical towers, damaging buildings, even on the far reaches of the site, shattering windows across the industrial estate, resulting in a large number of victims, heavily injured, buried under debris, or killed. To provide a realistic virtual scenario, references from similar real events are taken into consideration prior to the scenario development. Such events are, for example, the Toulouse chemical factory explosion in France in 2001 and the Buncefield fire in the UK in 2005. Both events showed massive destruction of the site and heavy damage in the surrounding area. Now, let's have a look at the concepts developed in the Bridge Project. After the alarm is triggered, the authorities are notified. But until the first actions can be taken, a toxic, carcinogenic cloud already begins to spread toward a densely populated area. Right away, a weather-dependent risk assessment is created, helping prepare first responders. Warnings are distributed via the bridge broadcaster through all available media. In the emergency control room, situation awareness is enhanced by large-scale, multimodal, interactive visualizations of information displayed on the bridge master, consisting of a 42-inch multi-touch control table. Using that technology, the incident commander has an overview of all available resources in the Bridge Resource Manager. Furthermore, it monitors and protocols all activities carried out during the emergency to stay in control and to evaluate the incident afterwards. Also, the Bridge Mapper helps the incident commander identifying optimal routes for first responders to reach the incident site. Simultaneously, the bridge information aggregator collects vital information gathered via open and social networks, providing unique perspectives and more insight on the situation at hand, and identifying possible sub-events. The Bridge Risk Analyzer gathers and displays information from various advanced software packages to help identify and assess different kinds of risks. To ensure timely and reasonable responses by the incident commander, the know-how of external experts is taken into account, helping him understand the incident and developing strategies for countermeasures. A mobile ad hoc network called Bridge Mesh is installed and established on the site, forming a stable and controlled network of communication. To ensure the best possible connection, the Bridge Local Cloud connects isolated islands of connectivity using off-the-shelf portable wireless devices such as mobile phones. Furthermore, modern mobile phones can be used as an open wireless hotspot containing a short message instead of the standard SSID, the network name. These help beacons can then be used as the means to create a direct connection for communication. To ensure faster and more competent help for victims, first responders provide victims with electronic tags, transmitting their vital status to the command center. This system and the robust bracelet monitoring and sending the most relevant data are called the e-triage. To assure optimized planning and execution in cases of emergency, a proper training process has to be developed, covering all the previous mentioned techniques. Thank you for your attention. For more information, visit bridgeproject.eu.